And good morning, everyone, and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where we talk about foreign exchange trading, and making money, prop firm trading, and making money doing all those things. So let's go ahead and get into the risk disclaimer screen. Since we're talking about trades, I'm going to show you some real trades. And Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, is with me too, so we're going to learn together. Let's see. He's not going to help me read it today, but that's okay. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial or trading advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission's risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. That means if you don't have much money, or if you, you can trade if you don't have much money, but not necessarily a good idea. You want to keep a close eye on that and learn how to trade responsibly so you don't lose all your money. So that's what that means. So let's go into what's going on here. This is my $43,000 demo account with Forex.com, and it is down. I was expecting a little bit of an upward push on the US dollar, did not get it. So we still about 50 pips out of stop loss for everything else, so we're not going to worry about it. Got a lot happening this week. So if you're wondering how I'm doing on my on this, here's the same trade in the $120,000 account, and with Audacity Capital, the November challenge, and I am not knocking it out of the park. However, I've been in it for longer than 6 hours, like I was last one. The October Traders Cup Challenge. We'll go ahead and check and see how we're doing on the other account with Audacity Capital, which is my prop firm challenge, my trading challenge. That goes right here. Then, of course, when should I beat this challenge? This is a demo account. Should I beat this challenge, then I will get a different account with $30,000 in it, and I'll get to trade their money and keep some of the profits. So how about that? That's at least how it works. I haven't gotten that far yet, so I'll let you know when that happens. So let's get in here and let's see what's happening today with the markets. First, DXY. DXY is dollar index is not holding up real well. It looks like it's turning that major level here is turning back into resistance again. And well, it never was support. It's always been resistance, but it's right there just south of the resistance level in a slow trading week. It is a holiday week, so in the United States, so it's not going to be trading as hard as everything else. I thought that the London markets might pick it up a notch, but no, they have not. With that, let's go to the euro dollar, euro versus the dollar. And this is also, it looks like the dollar's, looks like it's bouncing right off at 115. 115.15 is the bounce area where the euro is bouncing off. It's still not a whole lot of conviction with that, so it's just kind of hanging out. Dollar versus the yen, again, not a whole lot of conviction here. It's got daily charts, right? And it is literally just going up and down and up and down and up and down. Range trading is what we call that. Between 88 and 33, that's going to be about a 50 pip range. That's pretty much flat line for the dollar yen. Pound versus the dollar, it's perking up a little bit. How about that? Getting a lot of whipsawing going on the daily. You see the long wicks, and then but still making higher highs since last Wednesday. When it had a big downturn, but it's not coming over any of these levels. So we'll call that range trading also. Maybe forming a little wedge there. Definitely forming a little wedge there. But we won't worry about that until it becomes more defined. Pound versus the yen. Again, looks like it's range bound. Everything's kind of taking a holiday off. So with that, we have the 205.21. I don't think we're going to see in danger of seeing any intervention anytime soon. We might be a little bit closer to having this double top. Depends on how today closes. It closes around 41.15, and we can almost call that a double top until it starts coming back down again. It's and forms a neckline. Neckline would be right here, about 140.16, and then it usually runs twice the neckline, which would pull it right back down to 138.81. So we're in that ballpark. And then we have the Canadian versus the yen. More defined downturn in the Canadian versus the yen. It might be indicative of the oil market, but oil's up today. Well, I mean, compared to yesterday it was. Maybe. Let's see what oil's done. Oil is slightly down on today's session, in the London session for the NYMEX fix on crude oil. WTI is what a lot of people are using, the West Texas index. And I should put the WTI in here, but I can't figure out where it goes. Let's try that real quick, since crude oil, West Texas. Did I just add that? I just added it twice. Nope. Well, we'll work on that a little bit later. Let's see. I do have my going to work clothes today, so I will be going to my day job today. Aussie versus the dollar. Again, not my favorite pair. A lot of indecision going on there, it seems. A lot of people like the Aussie versus the dollar. I've never been a real big fan of it, for whatever reason. Henry's back in on top of my head. You can't see him because the background I'm behind is green. He's kind of bluish. Come on, Henry. There you go. Say hi to everybody. Hi. And there's Henry. He's a live parakeet. Aren't you? Aren't you, little birdie? Okay. And right down here we have the gold. Gold had a little push yesterday, but right into resistance, and that is where it's kind of stopping. Almost looks like a weird little head and shoulders, but I wouldn't count on that. And then silver, 51.27 is where silver is today, and it's kind of opening, but it's, again, I'm not going to do any additional trading than what I've got in there. I've got very low volume trades in because I didn't expect a whole lot of volume, and we're not getting a whole lot of volume. So with that, change interval, 4 minutes. Wait a minute, no, not what I just did. Oh well. So with that, that's about all I've got. It's a boring week on trading this week. It's a holiday week, and we're going to have some Thanksgiving fun on Thursday. No, Henry, it's not one of your relatives. Don't worry about it. And with that, we're going to, I'm going to say, take it easy. What does this change interval thing keep coming up for? But at any rate, you guys have a great one. If you like this video, then like it. Then hit the if you like this video, then like it. Hit the thumbs up icon. If you want to know when more videos are coming out, then subscribe, and you'll be notified of when more new videos come out. Right now, I'm doing them pretty much daily. What the currency strength looks like real quick. Oh, JPY is way up there, and dollar is right there. So that's why it's not going anywhere. And lastly, what else? Oh yeah, if you want to comment, if you have any comments to say, or if you have anything you want to say, then by all means comment, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. But you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.